Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm trading gold and AUD guys. My balance is $2,800 as you can see, and right now I'm $3,600 in profit, almost $4,000 in profit guys. We have sent these signals in our WhatsApp signal group. So don't forget guys, if anyone is interested in joining the WhatsApp signal group, just send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen to inquire about the services that we offer guys. So let's see how it goes guys going forward, but so far so good guys. I'm very happy with these profits, but I'm still a bit far from my target guys. So let's see how it goes. From $2,000 to more than $6,000 guys. Today is Tuesday, the 27th of December. So guys, don't forget, if you're interested in joining the signal group, just send us a message guys. And just to avoid this video being too long, I'm going to pause the recording and resume when I have some updates or before I close these trades. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes now since I opened my initial trade. I'm about to close guys. $10,000 profit from my initial $2,000 deposit guys. I'm very happy with this profit. I'm about to close my trades guys, from $2,000 to $10,000 guys in one day. Don't forget, if you're interested in receiving signals like these guys, if you want to trade similar signals, just send us a WhatsApp message guys. Send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen just to inquire about the services that we offer. Okay guys, I'm happy with this profit. It's on 11,000 now. I'm done for the day. Thanks for watching the video guys.